This man has formed an unlikely friendship with the crane he rescued. He helped rehabilitate the crane after finding the animal with a broken leg. The struggling bird that couldn't move as he approached. The farmer then picked up the bird and brought it into his home, where he was able to bandage the crane's broken leg. Him and his family expected the bird to fly off when its leg had recovered. But the crane decided to stay for good. The bird is now considered to be another member of the family. The crane flies alongside him as he rides his motorbike down a road. They've become inseparable. The bird is free to fly off at any time. Such a beautiful, unique friendship. Who would have thought that a crane and a human could be such good friends? This is the most precious thing we've seen in a while.